In today's video, I demonstrate the latest in bristle-free grill grate cleaning technology. That's right, an onion. Do your grill grates look like this after a cook? And are you looking for an all-natural, bristle-free way to clean them off before your next cook? Well, look no further than an onion. Here I've got half an onion, and here I've got a grill fork. Place the two together, and you have an all-natural grill grate cleaning brush. So what you're going to want to do now is set your gas knob to high to preheat, and then pop the ignition. Let the grill heat up for about 10 to 15 minutes, and it will really carbonize those bits stuck on the grates. As we let my grill preheat, let me introduce myself. I am Jerry, and welcome back to the channel, The Chicago Griller. This is the show where I share my favorite tips, tricks, and recipes for the Weber Q. But in today's case, this tip applies to all grills. If you think that I can help you out, hit the like button and subscribe. So after 10 minutes of preheating, you'll see that the bits and pieces stuck from my previous cook have blackened and carbonized. So taking my makeshift onion grill brush, we can now scrape these black bits off. And you'll see they come off quite easily. Much more than you might have thought, right? And here's a bonus. It's all natural and it smells delicious. And see, wasn't that easy? Now this grill is ready for its next cook. If you found this video helpful, like I said, hit that like button and subscribe, and don't forget to check out the Chicago Griller for more great tips, tricks, and recipes for the Weber Q. See you next time. Bye.